Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Xbox One controller cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious gamer looking to protect their valuable investment and enhance their gaming experience, offering a crucial layer of defense against the inevitable drops, scratches, and general wear and tear that come with intense gaming sessions, ensuring your controller remains in pristine condition for longer periods and maintaining its aesthetic appeal and functional integrity. Number 5. KELIFANG Replacement Battery Cover Door for Xbox One Controllers. Elevate your gaming with our lightweight battery cover door. It's designed for Xbox One, One S, and One X controllers, ensuring a perfect fit for uninterrupted play. Crafted from high-quality materials, this accessory is built to withstand the rigors of intense gaming. Enjoy superior performance and durability, session after session. Lost or damaged your original cover? No problem. This exact fit replacement can be installed in moments, getting you back in the game without needing a new controller. Measuring just 2.2 by 1.4 by 0.8 inches and weighing a mere 0.22 ounces, it adds no perceptible weight. You'll barely notice it's there, allowing for comfortable gameplay. Available in classic black and white, you can choose the color that best suits your style. Customize your controller to match your gaming setup and express your personality. This is the essential repair part you need for your Xbox controller. Keep your device functional and looking its best with this reliable replacement. What we like. If your original battery cover for your Xbox One, One S, or One X controller is lost or damaged, this is a perfect and easy-to-replace solution. It's designed for a quick swap, ensuring your gaming sessions are never interrupted by a loose battery. If you need a reliable and straightforward replacement part, this is the one to consider. What people say. These fit perfectly and snap right in for simple installation. These was a perfect fit and as easy to install as the original battery door. This item fit exactly as it was supposed to and works great. Number 4. eXtremeRate Light Violet Front Housing for Xbox One SX Controller. Give your Xbox One S or X controller a fresh new look with this stunning light violet replacement front housing. It's designed for a perfect fit, enhancing both style and feel. Specifically designed for the Xbox One S and Xbox One X controller, model 1708. Ensure a seamless fit that sits flush on all sides, maintaining the controller's integrity. This kit comes with a faceplate shell, a T8H screwdriver, a pry tool, and screws. Please note that the controller itself is not included in this package. Installation requires some hands-on skill as you'll need to disassemble your controller. You can easily find a video guide online by searching for eXtremeRate Replace Faceplate for Xbox One SX Controller on YouTube. The vibrant light violet color offers a unique aesthetic. Consider pairing it with replacement buttons to create a truly personalized gaming experience. This front housing is compatible with Xbox One S and Xbox One X controllers, model 1708. It is not compatible with Elite or standard Xbox One controllers. Please check the second image for model verification before purchasing. What we like. If you're looking to give your Xbox One S or One X controller a unique and vibrant look, this custom front housing shell is an excellent choice. It offers a perfect fit and comes with the necessary tools for installation. If you enjoy personalizing your gaming gear and are comfortable with a bit of DIY, this is a great way to make your controller stand out. What people say. It came with all the tools you'll need to switch them, even extra screws just in case you lose the ones you removed from the previous faceplate. The quality is excellent and it's got a satiny feel to it. Perfect fitting faceplate for the Xbox One controller. Nice subtle pink, just what the girlfriend was looking for. Number 3. KontrolFreek Performance Grips for Xbox One Series X. Elevate your gaming experience with KontrolFreek Performance Grips. These advanced controller grips are designed to provide superior grip, support, and comfort for extended play sessions. Our unique 3-layer system combines advanced materials to deliver exceptional grip. Feel the difference as they conform to your palm, offering unparalleled support and comfort. Applying these grips is a breeze, and they can be repositioned or removed without leaving any residue or damaging your controller. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. The moisture-wicking top layer ensures your hands stay cool and dry, maximizing grip even during intense gaming moments. Say goodbye to sweaty palms. Experience the sensation of dense memory foam with our cushioning layer. It adapts to your palm, providing enhanced comfort and support the more you play. Choose the style that suits you best. These performance grips are available in Nightfall Black, Inferno Red, and Galaxy Purple to match your setup. Designed for seamless integration, they are fully compatible with both Xbox One and Xbox Series X controllers. Get ready for a better gaming experience. What we like. If you experience sweaty palms or want a more secure and comfortable grip during intense gaming sessions, these performance grips are a must-have. They provide superior control and support, reducing hand fatigue. If comfort and precision are your top priorities for your Xbox One or Series X controller, you should definitely consider these. What people say. Absorbs sweat well, good for a slippery controller and your hands sweat a lot. Moisture control is also great in case you get sweaty hands at times. The grip offered is good and I no longer have any issues holding on to the controller as I hold on to dear life in heated game battles. Works great, fits wonderfully on my Xbox controller and is very comfortable for my hands. When you sweat, the remote doesn't slip out of your hands due to the grips. They form to your hands and are very comfortable to hold. Number 2. Xahpower battery cover for Xbox One controllers. Tired of losing your battery cover? This replacement is designed for your Xbox One or Xbox One S controller, ensuring a perfect fit to keep your batteries secure. Crafted from high-quality, durable ABS plastic, this cover is built to last. Its sturdy construction resists falls and provides a long service life. No modifications needed. This battery cover is engineered for an exact fit, seamlessly replacing damaged or lost doors without any hassle. Choose the color that best suits your controller. These come in classic black and white, making them a versatile choice for any gamer. This pack includes 4 battery covers, 2 in black and 2 in white. It's a great value for keeping your controllers in top condition or as a gift. We ensure strict quality control for our products. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution promptly. What we like. If you need multiple replacements or want to have spares on hand for your Xbox One or One S controller, this 4-pack offers great value. Made from durable ABS plastic, these covers are designed to securely hold your batteries in place. If you're looking for a cost-effective and reliable solution for battery door replacements, this pack is ideal. What people say. The controller cover fits perfectly and feels great in the hands. It provides excellent grip, making long gaming sessions much more comfortable. The material is durable and seems like it will protect the controller from minor drops and scratches. Number 1. eXtremeRate Nebula Galaxy Shell for Xbox One SX controller. Transform your controller with a breathtaking Nebula Galaxy pattern. Its soft touch finish offers a comfortable and smooth grip for extended gaming sessions. This faceplate is designed to fit your Xbox One S and Xbox One X controller, model 1708, perfectly. It ensures a flush fit with all clips and edges. Enjoy a personalized gaming experience with this unique shell. The anti-slip, soft texture provides a secure and sweat-free grip, even during intense gameplay. Installation is straightforward with the included T8H screwdriver and pry tool. We recommend watching a video guide to assist you with the modification. Your package includes the front faceplate shell, a T8H screwdriver, a pry tool, and screws. Please note that the controller itself is not included. This shell is exclusively for Xbox One S and Xbox One X controllers, model 1708. Please verify compatibility by checking the second image before purchasing. What we like. If you desire a controller that not only performs well but also looks stunning, this front housing shell with a Nebula Galaxy pattern is for you. Its soft touch finish provides a comfortable and silky feel, while the improved grip helps prevent slips during long gaming marathons. If you're looking for a stylish and functional upgrade for your Xbox One S or X controller, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The shell fit the controller like a glove and the design was centered as advertised. Nice, smooth surface and art looks amazing. Excellent perfect fit and build quality, looks great installed. It looks cool, obviously, and it was very easy to use when I replaced my existing controller's faceplate. The surface has this great texture. Good grip without being bumpy or uncomfortable. Just smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.